Financial freedom. What is financial freedom? In this video, I tell you what is financial freedom. Financial freedom is a rule which is called the 50-30-20 rule, the easiest budget that actually works. Let's start the topic. Most people say they'll start budgeting next month, and then the next month never comes. But what if I told you there's a super simple rule that can fix your finances with just 3 numbers? No Excel sheets, no stress, just 50, 30, and 20. What is the 50-30-20 rule? This budgeting method became popular after Senator Elizabeth Warren introduced it. The idea is simple. 50% goes to needs, 30% to wants, 20% to savings or debt repayment, 50% for needs. Needs are the must-haves: rent, groceries, gas, insurance. If this part goes beyond 50%, it's a sign to adjust your lifestyle. 30% for wants. Wants are nice-to-haves: dining out, entertainment, travel. You don't have to quit them, just manage them smartly. 20% for savings or debt payoff. This part builds your future: emergency fund, debt repayment, or investing. Even starting with 5% matters. Real-life example. Let's say you earn $3,000 a month. $1,500 needs, $900 wants, $600 savings or debt. You instantly know where your money goes. What is this topic? Motivation. Motivation is, budgeting isn't about restriction, it's about control. Try it for 1 month and feel the difference. Because financial freedom starts with how you manage, not how much you earn. If this helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more simple money rules that actually work.